y'all, long time no see. It's been a couple of weeks. I had a crazy couple of weeks of work, so I took some time off of social media and all that. I am back today with what my meal plan for the week is. I am doing a no spend grocery week. So my meal plan is totally based on what I already have in the house. I did some traveling last week and I'm doing some traveling this weekend as well. So I want to use up what I already have, and I also went a little overboard going out to eat last week when I was traveling, so I kind of need to recuperate some of that money. So I decided to do a no spend week for my groceries, and also we are in the middle of a nor'easter, so the weather is just not great for like going out and getting groceries and stuff. It's super windy, super rainy, totally crazy. There's some slight flooding around here, so I figured just stay at home for groceries this week. So I'm going to show you in the pantry, the freezer, and the fridge what I am doing this week, and then share my meal plan. We are going to start in the pantry. I have almost a full loaf of sourdough left from my groceries last week, so I'll definitely use that up. Peanut butter powder will definitely get used. I opened up a bag of some of my emergency snacks just so I keep those in rotation and nothing goes bad. In a couple weeks I'll actually restock up on my emergency food bags. If you're interested in what I put in these, let me know in the comments below and I'll share what I put. Each bag is worth a day, is a day worth of food. I've already grabbed a couple snacks out of there for breakfast this morning, but let's see what I will grab some stuff out of that. I have some tomato sauce and diced tomatoes. I'll probably do some pasta, that kind of thing. I have some pita chips left over. If these are still good, I think I bought them last week, so they should still be good. I'll snack on those. I have a couple servings left of some Honey Nut O's, which is like Honey Nut Cheerios. So I'll definitely have some breakfast out of that. Some sunflower seeds. I also have dried cranberries and chocolate chips up here. So I'll probably do like a little fruit, not nut mix, but like a little mix with the chocolate chips, cranberries, and sunflower seeds. As always, I have oatmeal on hand, so that will be another breakfast or lunch worth. Let's see, I have some tuna in the back that will definitely get used. I've actually been loving tuna lately, so that's great. Some dark chocolate in case I want to snack on some chocolate. I'm almost out of coffee. I have enough for like 3 or 4 days this week, so I'm definitely going to be heavy into the matcha. And I'm also out of green tea for my morning tea, so I'll definitely be into that. We have a couple like black beans and stuff. I don't think I'm going to use any beans this week because I think I have enough snacky sandwich stuff, and then I have enough stuff in the fridge and freezer as well to hold me over. Of course, I have a couple types of pasta that will get used as well. Looking in the freezer is looking a little bare. I've been eating a lot of stuff out of it lately, and am purposefully getting it cleaned out so I can have a nice deep clean. I have a couple servings of soup. I'll definitely use a couple of those. I have some hash browns, sweet potatoes, and I have some, ooh, that's loud, frozen bread. I'll probably use that for croutons for soup. I have some breaded chicken from Aldi. I'll probably fry that up in the air fryer and then put it with some pasta and sauce and some Parmesan, do like a little chicken parm. Butter, I don't need to use that though this week. That is what is in the freezer. All right, looking in the fridge, I have some milk for cereal and coffee. I have some orange juice. That's my skincare. I'm not gonna eat that. I have some eggs. I think there's 4 in here. Oop, nope, 3. I'll use that up one day. I have about 1, maybe 1.5 servings of yogurt in here. That'll be a breakfast. Hemp hearts, I restocked on those last week, so it's a nice full bag. Flax seeds, I have some pumpkin in the bag for like lattes, and also Daisy just likes pumpkin as well. I really need to clean these shells. Parmesan, feta for some pasta. Applesauce as always. I have some hummus left over from last week before to go with the pita chips. I have some carrots from the garden, and then I have some strawberries and blueberries, and I have a couple of grapes left from a few weeks ago as well. All right, so here is the meal plan for this week, and you can see Daisy in the background a little bit over there at the bottom corner. So I only need 4 days of breakfast this week because of my travel. So I'm just going to use up the rest of the yogurt, the rest of the cereal, and have oatmeal for one day. Lunch, would do PB&J with fruit because I have peanut butter and strawberry jelly as well. Dinner's just gonna be a hodgepodge of things. Pasta chicken with some sauce. Soup, I had a slice or two of that sourdough in there that I can cut up to do croutons with. Tuna and rice, I'll probably make like a little like Kewpie mayo type thing to go with that. Almost make it like a sushi bowl. Egg and hash brown. Now the pita chips, sunflower seeds, and I put bag snack just to remind myself that I have my emergency food bag that I can go into as well, so that gets used up before it goes bad. But that is what is on the meal plan for this no spend grocery week. This actually all sounds really good. Normally for the no spend grocery weeks, I'm a little like, oh no, I'm not looking forward to it, but those meals all sound good, maybe except for the oatmeal. But it's fall, oatmeal is warm, maybe it'll feel nice in the mornings. But that is what I have on the meal plan for this week. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below, are you doing no spend grocery weeks too? If not, what is on your meal plan this week? Also, let me know your favorite grocery store to go to as well. I hope y'all have a fabulous week, and I will see you next time. Bye.